Hello, everybody. My name is Sir Raphael, and I will be teaching you environmental studies for class 2. Now, everybody, take out your Wonder World Environmental Studies book 2, and we shall be continuing lesson 12 Animals Around Us. Right? So, previously we had learned about different kinds of animals, domestic animals and wild animals. Right? So, today we will be learning about other things about animals, like how animals move. Right? So, let us read how animals move on page 68 of your textbooks. Right? So, we walk or run to move from one place to another. How do animals move? An animal moves according to the shape of its body and where it lives. Some animals walk, some hop, some swim, some fly, and some crawl. Land animals like the lion or dog have legs to walk and run. Fish live in the water and have fins to swim. Ducks, geese, and swans live in the water and have webbed feet to swim. Birds have light bodies and wings to fly. The kangaroo hops and snails crawl. Now, do you know how a snake moves? How does a snake move? Do you know? That's right, a snake crawls on the land. Yes? So these are the different ways that animals move. Some walk and run, some swim like fishes, some have webbed feet to swim, some have light bodies and wings to fly. The kangaroo hops. What are other creature hops? That's right, rabbits, right? Bunnies. Bunnies hop. And also the snake crawls on the ground, right? Like snails as well. Now, what do animals eat? Animals eat different kinds of food to live, right? So, some animals eat leaves of plants, small plants, grass, fruits, and flowers. They are called herbivores. Look at that word, herbivore. Herbivores, right? You learn the spelling of the word herbivores. They are called herbivores or plant eating animals. Right? So herbivores only eat plants and grass, fruits, and flowers. Herbivores do not eat meat. The deer, elephant, horse, sheep, and cow are plant eating animals or herbivores. Now, some animals eat the flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores, right? Or flesh eating animals. Look at the word carnivore, Carnivores, carnivores, right? So these are flesh eating animals. The lion, the tiger, the leopard, and fox are examples of flesh eating animals, right? So, what are herbivores? Herbivores are plant eating animals. And what are carnivores? Carnivores are flesh eating animals, right? And now we have the third type. Some animals eat plants and also the flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores. The bear and mouse are omnivores. Now, what about us humans? What are humans? Are we herbivores? Do we only eat plants? Are we carnivores? Do we only eat meat? Or are we actually omnivores? That's right, human beings are omnivores. You, me, and all of our friends, mommy and daddy, all of us are omnivores. Right? So, next, we learn about taking care of animals. Animals are our friends. We should take good care of them. We should give our pet proper food and a clean place to stay. Right? How many of you have pets? Do you have a pet? What pet do you have? Do you have a dog? Do you have a cat? Yes, these things are very important. We have to take care of our pets. We should not be cruel to animals that live in the farms. We should give them food and shelter. Some animals, such as the horse and bullock, are used to pull carts. Some animals work with the farmers in the fields. We should not make them work for very long hours. They should get proper rest. Right? Look at the picture to the left. you see a farmer, right? And the horses and bullocks, they pull carts, right? And they work on the fields with farmers. And then jungles are the homes of wild animals. We should not cut trees in the jungle as the wild animals would lose their homes. Hunting wild animals for fun is also wrong. In the zoo, we should never tease the animals. We should not give them food or water. They might fall ill. Right? So look at the picture to your right. We see a boy feeding a monkey, right? So we should not cut trees in the jungle, as trees are the homes of many wild animals in the jungle, right? So we should not cut trees in the jungle. We should not feed animals and tease animals. We should we should not tease animals in the zoo as well. So that concludes the lesson. Now let us review what we have learned all together in the lesson. The first is animals living with us in our homes or in farms are called domestic animals, right? And animals living in jungles are called wild animals. The movement of animals depends on their body shape and the place they live in, right? For example, dogs and horses have four legs and they walk and run on land, and then fishes have fins and scales and they can swim on water, and then snakes, they crawl on the ground just like snails, right? Animals may walk, run, hop, swim, or crawl to move. Animals that eat only plants are called plant-eating animals or herbivores, right? Herbivores are plant-eating animals. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores, right? Animals that eat both the plants and the flesh of other animals are called omnivores, right? So you have herbivores, plant eaters, carnivores, flesh eaters, and omnivores eat both plants and flesh. And then we should always take care of animals and give them proper food and shelter, right? So that concludes the lesson. And for homework, I would like you to do the the exercises on page 72, exercises A, B, and C for homework, right? So thank you for joining me for this lesson, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.